Hi guys, good morning. So it's morning time here in Oklahoma. But I had an idea that I wanted to do, and I wasn't really sure if you guys would want to see it or not, but I'm gonna show you anyways. Okay. So I really wanted to change my background. Right now I wanted like a textured look, so it's like a white background but it's fluffy. Literally, this is just a blanket. So but like it's a fluffy white blanket, and I know you guys can't really see on camera or anything, but it does have like little gold flecks in the blanket. But my niece is ready to have her blanket for at my house back. So I decided I would do still a white background, but like kind of whimsical. So I came across these things here at Hobby Lobby. They're curtain cascading LED lights. They're the soft white ones. So I'm gonna try and make it like to where there's an ambiance in here for you guys. So first steps first, I'm gonna be changing this blanket here to like just a white sheet. It's like plain white. You guys will see. So normally I would make sure it's a lot like flatter and a lot more taut than that, but you're not even gonna really be able to see that. That's just up so that you can't see anything in the background. So the next portion, I have the cascading lights, and this one came with a battery pack, and they're $13.99 at Hobby Lobby. And I know you can get different ones from all different kinds of places, but like this idea literally like just popped into my head. So I just like popped out and got whatever I wanted or like could get my hands on basically. So my idea is that I'm gonna take these and unstring the little bundles. So they're gonna be falling down in the back right here. And let me show you the top of my, okay, so I'm eventually gonna have right here, there's gonna be a little rod that's coming across. So at the moment, I'm going to be like taking the lights and stringing them across the top of this. Okay, if that makes any sense. Okay, so the next step in my vision here, if you guys will, is that I wanted like more of a romantical kind of feeling to it. So I'm definitely going to be taking my background. Okay, I have this as a background like that I used for my bridal shower. And so basically this background is just tulle. This is tulle on a regular old little curtain rod. I think the curtain rod was like 15, or not 15. I think the curtain rod was like $1.50 or something like that. And I just got some fabric tape, which you can just iron the fabric tape with like sandwiched right here, and it makes a little loop, and I just slid it onto the curtain rod, and the tulle was free because I have a nice mother-in-law who gave me a bunch of tulle for free. So this is basically a large curtain, so you're gonna see me put the large curtain on top of those things like I discussed, and then we're gonna see how cute this looks, okay? Okay, so now that it's up there, I'm going to move it forward and turn on my lights, and you guys are going to see exactly what it's going to look like. Isn't it so like cute and like romantical looking and stuff like that? I love it. I love it. But yeah, so this is my cute little background. It's daytime, so you can't see this side very, very well, but I absolutely love how this came out. Like, my vision is realized. You guys don't even know. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Go ahead and share it with a friend maybe, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.